Now let's get started with it. And first and foremost is overview of the recruitment process. We are talking about recruitment a lot. We all know that recruitment is basically hiring the candidate. This is actually the basic thing. We are hiring employee for our organization. This is actually a process. Recruitment is a process where we are first of all finding the need to employ a candidate, and up till the employee enters our organization, and we have introduced the employee, right? So this is a complete process of recruitment, and yes, obviously it's a multi-phase process which is definitely essential for acquiring the right talent to drive organizational success. If we have to run organization, we need to employ, we need to hire, we need to acquire the right talent. That is important, and there are several key stages which holds their own importance, because if on any stage we are not performing our task properly, we are ignoring our duties at any stage, then yes, we won't be able to hire right talent, we won't be able to acquire the right talent actually. Okay, so first and foremost is job requisition. It all begins with, as I said, identifying the need to fill a position within the organization, right? We have to identify the need first. So this stage involves understanding the job role requirements, understanding the role requirements, including complete responsibilities, qualifications, and whatever skills, specific skills or experience needed. This is important. So this is actually job requisition. Next is sourcing. Once the job requisition is established, we have seen that okay, this is the need. This is the need of a candidate. Means we need a candidate which will perform these responsibilities. That candidate must possess qualifications. This is specific skills. This is and experience. This is. Then the recruiters embark on the sourcing phase. So yes, this involves actively seeking out potential candidates through various channels, which are like job boards, social media platforms, networking events, and yes, employee referrals as well. We are going to discuss about the sourcing strategies on day third in detail. So here, yes, we are moving fast because this is just an introduction to recruitment. Next is the screening. Now in this screening phase, recruiters review resumes, applications received from candidates from every source, like from job portals we have received a lot of resumes, social media platforms we have received, networking events we have received, through employee reference we have received. So here we are going to review those resumes to determine suitability to their role. So this process often includes assessing candidates, what obviously qualifications, we would be assessing skills, experience against the job requirements which are outlined in the job description. Okay, so this is basically a screening process. We need to understand that screening is not an easy task, because we would be getting same kind of resumes, lot of resumes of same kind, but we have to differentiate those resumes. Okay, and yes, obviously we would be using lot of methods